Hello and welcome to this computer science tutorial. Today I'm gonna make a sort of special and I'm gonna cover how to use Sikuli. Sikuli is a program that allows you to make bots that do certain actions on your computer automatically, and it can be very useful in some situations. I believe the best way to explain or to show what Sikuli really does is to do an example. So first of all, you have to download it. You just Google Sikuli, go here to download, and just download the jar file, execute it, and you'll be fine. It's gonna give you different options on how many packages you want to install. As long as you install the first one, you're good. If you want to go deeper into it, you can install more, but we won't need it for examples like the one I'm gonna do. So go ahead and close it. Uh, let's open this. Some applications here. Sikuli. Say okay. As you can see, I had some code already there, but let's start from scratch. You always want to have this line there in case something goes wrong in the program. This will make it still work, it won't crash. Sikuli works with Python, so if you don't know how to use that, give it a look. This is gonna be really simple, so don't worry about it too much. So first of all, we're gonna make a for loop. So Sikuli does an action a certain number of times. So for I in range, let's say 20 times, 0, 20, find, see this here, just click on it. We're gonna find this rectangle in here, then we're gonna click it. Make sure the arrow, the cross is centered with the button, because that's where the mouse is gonna click. Then once you click in here, you can see how the delete button appears. So we're gonna go ahead and if exist this trash can in here did exist, we're gonna click on it. Again, make sure the cross is where you want to click. And then what happens when you do this in Gmail is that you're gonna get this pop-up menu. Oops, sorry. So we're gonna do another if exist this pop-up menu over here. Whoop. We're gonna click on OK. And that should be it. Let's do it manually first, once. Say OK. This is what's gonna happen. Let's just undo it. Alright. So let's give it a try. Run it. Just give it a second while it compiles. Now this is all automatic. Oops. It likes that button a lot for some reason. But see, it's working pretty well. So find it again. Now it will delete it. I'm not doing anything here. This is all the computer moving by itself. Now, because we didn't really try to make sure buttons weren't all the same, or there were some similar places where the Sikuli would be confused and click on them, like it happened in the Hangout button. It can sometimes not totally work perfectly, but this is a pretty good example. It's very simple. You see, it's like 5 lines. Very important. How to stop this thing from going, because if you don't, it will just keep trying to click everywhere. You have to press, if you're in a Mac, it's Command Shift C. There we go. Stops. If you're in a Windows, you'll just have to do Command Control Shift C. Uh, Also, really funny example. Be careful with this. I thought it was cool to show it to you guys. I tried with a couple of my friends, and it's very funny. This basically likes a bunch of your friends' pictures on Facebook. So you basically go to one of the pictures, and it's gonna see if there's an unlike. Just press right, so it goes to the next picture. But else, if there's no unlike, it's gonna click the like. Sometimes it will click on comments, but usually it goes to the like picture and then it clicks to the right. So this will basically like every single one of their picture. It's a bit evil, but it's fun. Make sure you don't overdo it, because a couple of my friends unfriended me for a while because of it. But anyways, uh, thank you for watching and hope to see you again.